Let's review what we talked about with bows. So when you get it out of your case, it should be nice and loose like this. See how you can see the different hairs? And then when you want to play, you tighten it. You go to the right, righty-tighty, and then slowly but surely those hairs will get tighter until they look like one line, okay? And you want about a pinky width or a pencil width in between the stick and the hair. Now what you don't want, and I almost never do this, see how there's a bit of a curve? If you tighten it too much, it'll be straight. You don't want that. That's why I say it's a little pinky or a pencil in between the hair to know if you're at a good tightness. Then you're gonna need rosin. There's lots of types of rosin. I have this type, but there's usually people have it in a wood thing. And when you rosin, you're gonna hold your bow and do little strokes at the bottom and slowly moving your way up. This is not very effective use of your time because you're only gonna get a couple strokes in. This way you can get a lot of rosin in a little bit of time. And those of you who had issues with playing because you have a brand new bow, you're gonna need a rosin a lot. So violins and violas, let's review the bow grip. So you have your thumb bent and your buck teeth of these two. So this kind of looks like a fox with buck teeth, maybe a bunny, but you gotta have that bent thumb. That's gonna go right in your frog in that little part, and then these go over. These do not go on top. You want them to go over, and then the pinky goes on top and the index finger lays down. So your good bow hold should look like that, and see that my bent thumb is in there. The thumb's actually touching part of the bow hair, and that's good. So violins and violas, remember to hold it. You're going to go like this, like the Statue of Liberty, and lower it on your shoulder. It needs to go to the side. So a lot of people want to do this. Put your chin on the chin rest, that makes sense. But don't. It goes in like this, and it's really your cheek or your jaw that goes on the shoulder rest so you can hold it well. Violins, let's review your strings. So the top one is called E, the skinniest one. The one next to it is called A. The second to lowest one is D. And lowest is G. So by next Monday, you should have all of those perfectly memorized and also be able to just play one string at a time. I know that's hard at the beginning. A lot of times you'll be hitting two strings, so try to find your proper elbow height to only hit one, okay?